Bienvenidos! Welcome to you all in this new lesson. In this lesson, we are going to practice. Practice a little vocabulary we have learned in our previous lessons. Practica, practica, practica. In the left side, I have wrote in Spanish. You just have to translate it in English. 50, 70, 90, 40. You can pause the video and write down what is translation of these words. Now, 50. In English we say 50. It is a number. 70, 70. 90, 90. 40, 40. 100, 73. 95, 57. You can pause the video if you need more time. 100, 100. 73, 73. 95, 95. 57, 57. El invierno, el verano, la clima, la primavera. Translate those words and write down in your notebook. El invierno, it's winter. El verano means summer. La clima means weather. La primavera means spring. La camiseta, el traje, el calcetín, la corbata. La camiseta means shirt. El traje means suit. El calcetín means sock. La corbata means tie. You just have to, I hope you are not cheating, you just have to practice it. And if you don't know the translation of any word in this practice, don't worry too much. You will master it if you give little time to your practice sessions. La pijama, la blusa, la ropa interior, la camisa, la pijama means pajama, la blusa, blouse, la ropa interior, underwear, la camisa, shirt, el sombrero, las zapatillas, el abrigo, el bolso. No. El sombrero means head. Las zapatillas, slippers. El abrigo, coat. El bolso, bag or purse. Restaurante. Bicicleta. Montaña. Luna. Restaurante. Restaurant. bicicleta, cycle, montaña, mountain, luna, moon, sol. What is the translation of sol? Tell me, hurry up. I am listening to you. Estrella, techo, mochila, sol, sun, estrella, star, techo, roof, mochila, backpack. Now the practice of adjectives. Dependiente, paciente, inteligente, horrible. Pause the video if you want little more time to write down the translation of these words in your notebook. Dependiente, dependent. Paciente, patient. Or calm. Inteligente, intelligent. Horrible, horrible. Perezosa, mentiroso, sucio, silencioso, perezosa, lazy, mentiroso, liar, sucio, dirty, silencioso, silence, sensible, perfecto, pesado, ligero, sensible, sensitive, perfecto, perfect, pesado, heavy, ligero, light. Felicidades! Congratulations! In this lesson, you have practiced and do this every day so your speaking skills, writing skills, and listening skills will be much, much better. Felicidades!